At any one time, there are many more full-time roles advertised in the labour market than flexible working or part-time options. This lack of flexible working options disproportionately impacts women, as they are more likely to be looking for jobs that allow work to be combined with caring responsibilities. But women aren't the only ones looking for more flexibility over their work schedules. Research shows that 9 in 10 people looking for work would like some form of flexibility in their future roles.
Providing better and more consistent access to flexible working is one of the most promising ways to increase gender equality in our workplaces. We know that women continue to shoulder a greater share of caring responsibilities for children as well as for older parents and relatives. And those responsibilities often don't fit neatly into a traditional working week. And so for many women, access to flexible working is a big factor in whether they stay on in their chosen career and whether they're able to progress within it. If flexibility isn't available at all levels of seniority, it means that women can get stuck in roles where they have flexible arrangements, but they can't see those arrangements being supported in the higher levels of the organisation. It's important to understand that this is not just an issue that matters to women. In fact, it's an issue that matters to the vast majority of the labour force. We know from a lab trial that we ran with 5,000 men and women that clear and specific offers of flexible working appeal equally to men and women. And of course, that makes a lot of sense. People want flexibility in order to balance their work and life, to care for themselves and others, and also to enjoy life and pursue their other interests. So really, flexible working can help us work towards gender equality by changing the behaviour of both women and men. In our work at the Behavioural Insights team, we've sought to understand this issue and develop evidence-based strategies to make flexible working the norm. Research in behavioural science shows that simple prompts at timely moments can encourage people to change their behaviour. Using this idea, we ran a randomised control trial with the global job site Indeed. In that trial, we were exploring how nudges like this one could encourage employers to advertise the flexibility on offer in their organisations. And in doing so, start to meet the demand for more flexible working across the whole labour market.
In the treatment group, employers saw a screen as part of the advertising process, which made it easy for them to list the flexible working options they could offer. The Behavioural Insights team and Indeed ran 2 trials together, testing this prompt and variations of it. More than 150,000 employers posted over 500,000 job ads, and almost 20 million individual job seeker applications passed through our trials, making this one of the largest randomised control trials ever conducted. So did these simple nudges work?
The nudges worked. Timely prompts led to more than a 20% increase in the number of vacancies advertising flexible working options on the Indeed site. On top of that, jobs that had flexible working on offer attracted between 90 to 30% more candidates.
At Indeed, we constantly test our products, and from the learnings, we try to build a more equitable system for our job seekers, and in doing so, creating a fairer hiring process. Our work with the Behavioural Insights team has led us to make changes in the UK as well as internationally that help fulfill our mission of helping all people get jobs. We know people value flexible work opportunities. And I'm saying this because I'm a mother of 2 young children, and I can absolutely see the benefits of having this option. And also as a result of the pandemic, there is an increasing expectation that jobs are designed with this in mind. So for employers, this means reconsidering the notion that flexible work is a benefit, and instead acknowledging that it is a better way of working that could impact the lives of so many women in a positive way. So just simple prompts to the employers when they're about to advertise a job to just think if this could be done flexibly can lead to so many more jobs with flexible working options. Also, the study shows that when flexible working options are advertised, employers are able to tap into a greater talent pool. So when job sites and other important gatekeepers to the labor market make it easier for employers to make these changes, the impacts can be far-reaching.
Want to find out more about how to improve equality in the world of work? Check out the full research reports, blogs, and other research projects that are part of the Gender and Behavioural Insights programme at www.bi.team and on gov.uk.